Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to trade starts on Monopoly Go and complete your sticker album faster? Here's how. First of all, open Monopoly Go, tap on the sticker album, and check which stickers you need or have extras of. Join Monopoly Go trading groups on Facebook, Discord, on Reddit to find players looking to trade. Once you find a trade partner, go to the friends list, tap their profile and select send stickers. Remember, star stickers can only be traded during special golden blitz events. Send the agreed stickers and wait for your trade partner to send their back. Boom, drill done. Always trade with trusted players to avoid getting scammed. That's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.